prosperity and well-being begins. Imagine tapping into the power of sound, specifically designed to enhance your path to success, wealth, and health. Here, we blend specific frequencies with meditative music, creating a unique soundscape that not only brings peace and solace, but also aligns your energy towards achieving prosperity and success. It's more than just relaxation, it's about empowering your journey to greatness. Join our vibrant community of like-minded individuals. Watch our special videos, engage with us through comments, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Your active participation not only supports our channel, but opens the door to exclusive benefits. If you're looking for more, our membership offers you an unparalleled advantage. As a member, you gain access to specially crafted videos that are not available to others. It's our way of offering you an exclusive journey to success and well-being. Imagine having the key to unlock even more personalized paths to wealth, success, and health. Members enjoy discounts and priority access to new content, ensuring that you stay ahead on your journey. So why wait? Dive into the transformative experience of Luck Energy Hub. Engage, subscribe, and consider joining our membership for the full journey. Together, let's embark on a path to prosperity, well-being, and unparalleled success. Your journey to success starts here. Luck Energy Hub. Elevate your energy, elevate your life.